I'm Juanjo Reina from the Asociación en Defensa de la Chimenea del Patrimonio Industrial de Málaga. It's not the tallest one, it's not the more beautiful one, it's not the more famous one. I have chosen a chimney that most of the people from Malaga and I have never seen before. The reason for my election is that it deserves his moment of glory. That chimney was built around 1964 in a landfill where it was in service until 1996. Nowadays it continues out of the outskirts of the city, hidden from the curious looks, but now it's surrounded by old cars waiting to be scrapped rather than mountains of rubbish.